In this video, we'll be checking out how to fix a faulty power outlet. The first thing is we open the trunk and open the fuse box cover. The next thing we want to do is to check the fuse location and rating in the car manual. As you can see on this sample diagram, the car manual shows that the Cigar lighter is a 20 amp fuse, and then on the fuse box cover you can see the location of it. So once you check the fuse box cover, you will see the location of the power outlet fuse. If you have any problem finding this, just put a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you. Once you're able to secure the cover, now you can open the fuse box cover. So to do that, you want to push down the clip and then pull it out. Locate the power outlet or cigar lighter fuse. It should be a 20 amp fuse, and it's the yellow one we can see there. Then you can use nose pliers to pull it out. And gently pull it out. And once it's out, you can replace it with a new fuse. Remember, the fuse rating is 20 amp, so make sure you replace it with the right one. So once you're done replacing the fuse, you can close the fuse box cover. Close the fuse box cover, and once that is done, you can go in and check the power outlet and make sure it's working. As you can see, the power outlet is now working. You can see the blue light showing. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe.